Greetings from Photogize. Today you're viewing Photogize EventPro Video 3, How to Publish My First EventPro Web Store. Let's get started. We're going to pick up right where Video 2 left off. You have just successfully uploaded photos to your EventPro account. You are now ready to use your album to publish your event web store. Event web stores can be created immediately after upload from the landing page that we're on now, and they can also be created from your online gallery by clicking the Gallery tab to access your existing albums. So we're going to start by creating an event from the landing page. You've already personalized your album and named it. All you need to do is click the big green Add to Event button. When I click this button, if this is my first visit, it will actually default to this option that says Create New Event. If I have uploaded events before, there'll be an option here where I can attach this album to existing events. So for this example, we're going to say Create New Event, and we'll call it, let's see, Jill and Kevin's Wedding, and we'll give it a photographer, Bob Smith. And then we can optionally password protect it if we wish. If not, the album can be a public album that anybody can access. And then down below here, we can attach pricing and logos from our default account, or we can choose, if we've already uploaded an event, we can attach pricing and logos from any previous events we've used. So once we've filled out the event information, we're going to click the OK button. And as soon as I do this, I'm going to get a prompt that says a new event's created, Jill and Kevin's Wedding. And when I click OK, this is going to bring me back to my gallery. But as soon as I get that prompt, I'm immediately going to receive an administrative email from the EventPro servers. And this email will look something like this. It's going to tell me the time and date the event was published. It's going to give me the event name. It's going to give me the photographer. Then down below, the email contains 4 important links. The first link is a link directly to this event's online web store. So if you click on this, this would go to the consumer's view of the ordering interface. The second link is a master link of all the events web stores associated with this account. The third link is a link to extend this event beyond the default 90-day free service period. And the last link is a link for you to log in and manage the event, such as change products, change pricing, or change your logo. So if I were to actually click on the consumer view, for example, it would bring me to a view like this where I would see the images. And if I click on images, I can click on the print or create interface to bring up the ordering options. So that's going to be covered in a separate tutorial. So for right now, we're going to go back to the photographer's interface, and from the gallery view, we're now going to see how to create an event. So when I'm on the gallery tab, it's showing me all the albums that I have uploaded. And say I wanted to take this album and either create a new event from it or attach it to an existing event. I would click on the album. And in the gallery, you also have other options where you can edit images, you can rotate, you can add grayscale, you can crop before uploading for the best presentation to your customer. Above is a cookie crumb path to show you where you are in your gallery. But if I wanted to attach this or create a new event from it, I would choose this option that says Share to Event. And when I click on this, this is going to show me the same interface that I saw from the landing page, so that I can attach this album to an existing event simply by choosing the event, or I can choose the Create New Event button and create a completely new event from this album. So say I wanted to attach this to an existing event, and I wanted to do it to Jill and Kevin's Wedding. I click OK. Here I get the prompt that says I've attached this album to that event. This is just going to bring me back to the gallery interface, but I would receive another administrative email that that album is now attached with updated links. So that concludes how to publish an event web store from the EventPro service. In the next tutorial, we will be covering how to manage your event storefront. Thank you for using Photogize.